In the mining industry, everything is beveled. It's all made out of hard plate, it's all large scale, it's all heavy. On Plazmax machines, we cut the part, we bevel the part. It does it all in one, it does it right the first time, and it's weld ready when they come off the machine. The alternative is cutting the part, removing it, setting it up for further processing. Machining is expensive, gas cutting and grinding is labour intensive, it's a dangerous process. Consistency and accuracy are also compromised. If you're coming back for a secondary operation, you're burning money basically. Plazmax really stands out in the mining industry with our ability to cut complex holes that others can't. We do plough bolts, we do countersinks, we do trommel screens, we do complex K-bevels for digger buckets. It ends up with a nice finish. It's extremely cost effective to cut. It's a great way to do it. The difference between Plazmax and everyone else is our motion engine allows us to get round difficult geometries without drive errors or having the machine trip out. But Plazmax machines are fast. Typical industry standard is around 20 metres a minute. We do 45. So with max control, our advanced taper correction, laser height sensing and local Australian support, we're here to keep your business moving.